Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your faction on the Mortal Kombat XL game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Mortal Kombat XL on your device. And once you are inside the homepage, you will need to go into the faction menu. Once you are inside the faction menu, you can see your faction leaderboard and you can also change your faction if you wish. After you go into the change faction menu, you can look at the various different factions that are available, and you can also check out the description of each one of these. You can press the P button to play the introduction, and once you have found the faction that you wish to change into, just press the enter button to confirm. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to change your faction. Press the enter button to confirm, and now you have successfully changed your faction within the game. You can now start enjoying your gameplay right away. And if you wish to change your faction once again in the future, you can go back into the faction page, and from the change faction menu, you may once again change your faction at any point of time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your faction on the Mortal Kombat XL game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.